So I'll do a quick tour of my hostel here. Here's a view from the street. 1301 Hostel. It's a dormitory with maybe 10 beds, and I'm only paying 180 baht per night, so pretty good. Met some cool people here so far, but I'll do a quick tour. Laundry, outdoor bathrooms and showers. Big kitty cat. I'm doing some laundry. I've got some clothes drying over there. It's 50 baht here, but I walk down the street and use the washer for 20 baht. So here's the dorm. So 12 beds. Aircon and a fan. Here's my situation right here. Shower room, nice and clean. 2 toilets, 2 showers. Not bad. So I'll be staying here for the next night. Maybe 2, just depends. I've met Vanessa from Singapore and Gaga and her friend from China, and so maybe we'll find something to get into. I know that the 2 Chinese girls are heading north just like me, so maybe we can travel together. We'll just have to wait and see. I don't know. We'll see what happens.